Corrugated steel pipe, otherwise known as culvert, plays a crucial role in our infrastructure, providing drainage of stormwater and access over waterways. TrueNorth Steel manufactures and supplies a wide variety of corrugated steel pipe materials to meet the needs of their customers. One of the primary types of pipe that TrueNorth Steel produces is Annular. Annular pipe has circumferential and independent corrugated rings. Flat sheet metal is corrugated and then rolled to the correct circumference. These cans are then spot welded or riveted together to the desired length. Annular technicians are responsible for operating various types of machines and shop equipment, including roller machines, spot welding equipment, rivet machines, and sheet splitting equipment. No experience is required, and TrueNorth Steel will provide all necessary on-the-job training. Career progression is available to Annular technicians as they learn the equipment and master the processes used in manufacturing the various products. The position will work year-round in a safe shop environment, working closely with their fellow game changers in providing quality culvert and drainage products to TrueNorth Steel's valued customers. To learn more, go to TrueNorthSteel.com/careers.